Hello, students. How are you all? Once again, welcome back to my SST class. Children, as you all know, that already we had finished up to chapter 14. Now, in this class, we will discuss chapter 15. It's a new chapter. The name of the chapter is Kolkata. Okay, everyone? So let's start the chapter. Children, this is the map of India, and on the map of India, here you can see Kolkata. Okay, this is West Bengal and this is Kolkata. Okay, this is Kolkata. Okay, students. Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. Children, Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. Okay, it's a capital of West Bengal state. Earlier it was known as Calcutta. Children, the earlier name of Kolkata was Calcutta. Okay. It is located on the banks of river Hooghly. Children, it is located on the banks of river Hooghly. Okay, this is river Hooghly. Okay, so children, Kolkata is located on the banks of river Hooghly. Okay, Kolkata is located on the banks of river Hooghly. Okay. Kolkata is about 130 kilometers from the sea and is connected with the sea through the river Hooghly. Children, Kolkata is about 130 kilometers from the sea. Okay, from the sea, children, here you can see from the sea Kolkata is 130 kilometers away from the sea. Okay, and this Kolkata, it is connected with the sea through the river Hooghly. Okay, through this river Hooghly, it is connected to sea. Okay, Kolkata is connected with sea with river Hooghly. Here in this picture you can see, here it is river Hooghly. Okay, here is river Hooghly and it is connected to sea with river Hooghly. Okay. Come here, children, everyone. See here. Being the capital city, all the important offices of the state government are in the city. Children, as you all know that Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. Okay, so all the important offices and buildings of the state government are located in the city, in the Kolkata city. Okay. The climate of Kolkata is neither very hot nor very cold. Children, the climate of Kolkata is neither very hot nor very cold. Okay, the climate is moderate type. Okay, during the rainy season there are heavy rains. Children, during the rainy season there are heavy rains. Okay, and the weather becomes quite hot and humid. Okay, during the rainy season, children, there are heavy rains. Okay, and the weather becomes quite hot and humid. Okay, after the rains the weather becomes quite hot and humid. Okay, children. The climate of Kolkata is neither very hot nor very cold. During the rainy season there are heavy rains, children, and the weather becomes quite hot and humid. Okay. Now everyone, come to the next topic, that is industry. Kolkata's main industry is jute processing. Children, Kolkata's main industry is jute processing. Okay. Some other industries are, children, textile, leather, automobiles, chemicals, rice, paper. Okay. These are the some other industries, okay, such as textile, leather, automobiles, chemicals, rice and paper. Okay. So children, Kolkata's main industry is jute processing and some other industries are textile, leather, automobiles, chemical, rice and paper. Okay. These are the some industries of Kolkata. Okay everyone. Now everyone come to the next topic, that is festival. The people of Kolkata celebrate a number of festivals, but Durga Puja is the most popular one. Children, the people of Kolkata celebrates a number of festivals. Okay, the people of Kolkata celebrates a number of festivals, but Durga Puja is the most popular. Okay, they celebrate Durga Puja very much. Okay, it is celebrated with great enthusiasm in Kolkata. It is celebrated with great joy for 10 days. Children, people of Kolkata celebrates Durga Puja with great joy for 10 days. So children, it is a festival of 10 days. Okay. For how many days, children, it is celebrated in Kolkata? Durga Puja is celebrated in Kolkata for 10 days. It is a festival of 10 days. Okay. Most of the people in Kolkata wear simple dresses. Now children, it's a new topic, dress. Most of the people in Kolkata wear simple dresses. Okay. Dressing style of Kolkata people is very simple children. They used to wear simple dresses. Men wear dhoti kurta and the women used to wear sari and blouse. Okay. As you can see in the picture. Okay students. Now everyone come to the next topic, that is language about of Kolkata. Children, they speak Bengali, English and Hindi are also widely spoken. Children, the people of Kolkata used to speak Bengali language and also they used to speak English and Hindi. These two languages are also widely spoken in Kolkata. Okay everyone. Now everyone come to the next topic, that is food. Bengalis are very fond of eating sweets. Children, Bengalis people love to eat sweets. Okay, they are very fond of eating sweets. Okay, sweets are very favorite dish of them. Okay, their sweets are famous all over India. Children, sweets of Kolkata is very famous all over India. Okay. Sandesh and Rasogulla. Children, you can see here Sandesh and Rasogulla. Okay children. These are the famous sweets of Kolkata. And children, rice and fish. Here you can see children, rice and fish form an important part of their diet. Children, rice and fish is very much important in their diet. Okay, they love to eat rice and fish in their diet. Okay, Bengalis love to eat rice and fish. Okay, this is their favorite food, rice and fish. And children, that's all for today. We will meet in our next class video. Till then children, must take care. Be safe at home. Bye-bye. And thank you everyone.